All right, folks, I just got one of the must-have accessories to my Model Y. This is a hub made by YONZEE. They sent it out to me to do a review and I really like it. And it's perfect when you are using that one port that you have in the glove compartment for both your dash cam as well as for music. So just opening it up, this actually has multiple ports. It has two regular USB 1 port and one USB-C port, as well as a USB 3 port, which I believe was perfect for the dash cam since there's a lot of video that goes straight through. It has the logo on it, and it fits the nice contour of the glove compartment. So it looks like it is built in, like it came from the factory. Also has a nice felt on it. Let's check it out. I have the Tesla USB stick installed that I'm using for recording actually playing my music and recording all the dashboard videos all on one drive because I have it partitioned. I did that in another video. But now what I want to do is I do want to have my music separately, so this way I can pull it out and put music on it and then put it back without really impacting anything related to the Sentry and Dashcam videos. So this is where this comes in handy, this YONZEE USB hub. And it contours, as I mentioned, it has this black felt and it contours the inner lining of the Tesla right here. Sorry, my hand keeps coming in the way of the lights, so you have to bear with me. So it contours the inner wall of the glove compartment. So now what we'll do is we will take this out, like so, and I will put the Tesla stick here on, let's see, yeah, I'll put it on this USB 3. I believe it's USB 2, even though it's blue. But anyway, I'll put that one right here so that it has the faster speed. And then I will put my music into either of these drives. Well, this one's kind of big, so it may not fit in the back one. I actually have a very small USB card. It'll do a lot better than the big one that I have. I think later on I'll switch it out to a smaller one. But I could just, let's say, put that one right here. And then I could just put that right into this USB right here. You can't even tell that it's here. It looks like it's part of the glove compartment. So now I have 4 USB ports. Actually, one is a USB-C port. I think that's for charging only. And I have 3 USB ports. And then if I ever want to take my dashcam videos out to copy to my PC and then bring it back in, I can do that. Or I could swap drives. I could have another drive. I could put a different one for music and take this out, copy files, and put it back in. So it provides a lot of convenience, and it looks like it came from the factory with the contour. So I really like this hub. I want to thank YONZEE for sending it out to me. And yeah, I'm going to be enjoying it. I think it's a perfect accessory for your Tesla Model Y. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.